Discover easy living and entertaining at 148 Redondo Dining Room, an end-unit townhome in one of Beachside's premier home-gated communities. This residence features steep vaulted ceilings, an open and airy floor plan, with abundant natural light. Thoughtfully upgraded, it includes hurricane-impact windows and doors, fully owned energy-efficient solar panels, keeping electric bills as low as $20 to $40 per month, an EV charger, a tankless water heater, whole home water filtration, and G5 wiring. The gourmet kitchen boasts premium cabinetry, Bosch appliances, and elegant finishes, flowing into the dining area under a striking chandelier. Upgraded tile flooring, designer lighting, and custom walk-in closets elevate the space. A spacious upstairs loft and storage closet add function and versatility. This home blends modern technology with sophistication.